next theorem is theorem 6.8 plus 9 lines and angles. Given if a side of a triangle is produced, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Understood? So if a side of a triangle is produced, so you see PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. So if a side of triangle is produced, so which side is produced? The QR. QR is produced to a point S. So if a side triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed. Who is the exterior angle? This one. The exterior angle so formed. This one the exterior angle. So the exterior angle so formed means PRS. So formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite opposite angles. That means interior PRS is the exterior angle. If the side QR is produced to S, so PRS is the exterior angle. So interior angle of the exterior, meaning PRS is this one R. So interior is R. The opposite this and this, two interior opposite is 1 and 2. So you have to show angle PRS is equal to angle P plus angle Q or 1 plus 2. So you see here I written given a triangle PQR where angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the angles of a triangle. 1, 2, 3 are the angles of the triangle. Side QR of triangle PQR triangle, side QR is produced to S. What to prove? To prove angle PRS is the exterior angle is equal to angle 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is the sum of two interior opposite angles. We have to prove. Okay. Now let us start how to prove. Now you see QRT is a ray and PR stands on it. See the figure. QRT is a ray. QRT. What is QRT? QRT is a ray and a PR stands on it. Therefore, angle PRS plus PRQ, and this angle plus this angle. So sum of these two will be 180. This is called the linear pair axiom. So I written here, you see QRT is a ray, PR starts on it. Therefore, angle 3 plus angle PRT 180 degree. See 3 is this one. PRS is extra angle. So angle 3 plus angle PRS 180. Written linear pair axiom. This is equation 1. But by angle sum property of a triangle, just we have proved here on 6.7. Angle sum property of triangle is sum of three angles of triangle is 180. Therefore, but by angle sum property of a triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree. You see angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree. Okay. So this is equation 2. Now equation 1 is angle 3 plus PRS 180. Equation 2 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 180. So both the equations have right side are equal 180. So therefore from equations 1 and 2 we get angle 3 plus PRS, angle 3 plus PRS, this one is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Understood? Now 3 cancel. Therefore, PRS is equal to 1 plus 2. So PRS, what is the PRS? Now PRS is the exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle means 1 plus 2. Therefore, I written PRS is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, I think all of you have understood this one. Yes or no? Understood? Okay, next class we have to start the examples. Thank you. Have a good day.